How to view replies on Threads app. Welcome and let's get right into this tutorial. In order to do so, just launch a Threads application in your mobile device. Over here, if you are not logged into your account yet, make sure to do so. To view replies on your application, at the bottom, tap on the person icon. Over here, you can even view replies on your own thread. By tapping on the three little dots, you can edit, delete or save the comment as well. Now to view the replies that you have posted on your Threads app, at the top you will see the replies option. Click on it. Over here you will see a reply as well as the post in which you have replied on. You can tap on the three dots next to your comment. Then again you can edit, delete or save. Mind it, the edit option might be limited for you. To delete, just click on the delete option. And that is how you view your replies on your Threads app easily. And it's a wrap for the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.